Section Love to express her words of gratitude on behalf of the completers. A round of applause, please. Madam Laida M. Lagar Mascareñas, Sese, Officer in Charge, Office of the School Division Superintendent, duly represented by Dr. Felicima G. Morsha, Public Schools District Supervisor, Cluster 4. To our school principal, Mami Miji Bakama, our honored guest, Miss Maria Fe Sebastian Candelario, the esteemed faculty of Inagawa National High School, both main and annex. To the proud and happy parents, fellow completers, friends and family who are here with us today, a pleasant afternoon. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and a retrospection of countless memories. As I stand before you, I am both humbled and honored for the opportunity that I could share with you a bit of inspiration from my journey, which has been anything but ordinary. To begin with, I could say that decision and discipline are the things that brought me here on stage. A decision that I have to give my best at my studies, coupled with the discipline that I myself has to submit to this decision. When I started junior high school, I was so determined to learn at my best. I could still remember the enthusiasm that I have, holding on to the belief that the season of my life would make a greater impact to my future. I have expectations and aspirations, probably just like everyone else. But then, having modular learning as the learning modality during the years of COVID-19 pandemic has turned my world upside down. It was incredibly challenging. I found myself struggling to adapt to this new way of education. The isolation from friends and the absence of structured school environment made it difficult to stay motivated in my studies. To be honest, I often found solace in online games, escaping into virtual worlds where I could forget the chaos around me. This escapism, however, came at a cost. My performance regressed, my grades started to slip, and I fell behind on my learning tasks. Indeed, it was a dark period filled with frustration and self-doubt. But as the saying goes, every cloud has a silver lining. With the unwavering support of my family, the encouragement of my teachers, and the realization that it owed to myself to rise above these challenges. I began to see a glimmer of hope. At this instance, I recommitted myself to my studies. I started setting small but high realistic goals. Rediscovered the joy of learning, and gradually conquered the laziness in me. I treated each finished module a milestone, each small victory a reason to push harder. Through perseverance and resilience, I transformed my struggle to strength. The pandemic taught me invaluable lessons about adaptability, self-discipline, and the importance of mental health. It showed me that while we cannot always control our circumstances, we can control our responses to them. After the 2 long years of doing the modular learning, finally, my heart was filled with joy and gratitude that the shadows of COVID-19 pandemic have lifted, allowing us to embrace the vibrant essence of learning face-to-face once more. Half of our junior high school journey was spent in the warmth of shared classrooms, where laughter and knowledge flowed freely, making these memories all the more precious. Today, as we are on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, let us always remember that Challenges are not roadblocks but rather stepping stones to our success. Let us take every obstacle as an opportunity to grow. And never underestimate the power of determination and support from those around you. May each of us possess the grace to pursue education for us to be a productive and good citizens of the country someday. May we also give true value to the power of love of those people who support us in any way to help us achieve our aspirations. So my dear classmates, who were there by my side in every challenges, your friendship and laughter made our journey the best. And for that, I am forever grateful. To our dedicated teachers, your wisdom made our path so clear. Your patience and unwavering support have been the guiding light to our educational academic journey. Salamat po sa pagmamahal, paggabay, at pagiging bahagi ng aming paglalakbay. Hindi po namin kayo makalilimutan. To my parents, Mama, Papa, your love gave me strength to persevere. Maraming salamat po sa suporta, pagtitiwala, at pagmamahal. Your sacrifices and dedication have made all of this possible, and I am eternally thankful. Fellow completers, as we celebrate our achievements today, let us remind ourselves that each of us face unique challenges, but we are able to emerge stronger. With that, let's carry forward the lessons we have learned in junior high school, particularly from Inagawan National High School, our alma mater. Let us support one another and empower the future with courage and curiosity. Buong puso at buong tatag nating harapin ang hamon para sa kinabukasan. Congratulations all